Hello, beautiful people. Sandro here, Abstract Homes and Renovations. I just wanted to show you this deck that we're kind of rebuilding. Actually, because of fisheries, we had to shorten the deck here by about 4 feet. This deck was extended out a little bit too long before, and fisheries asked us to move this back, so we cut 4.5 feet off of this deck. Anyways, as we're replacing the surface of the deck, and parts of this deck were only done like 5 years ago, and we have rot a bunch here. There was obviously a bunch of dirt that was actually piled up high on the joist, so the joist has been sitting in this nice dark soil here, great for growing trees but not great for putting pressure treated lumber on. So anyway, so as you can see, we've been replaced a 2x8 pressure treated on the outside, replaced another 2x8 stringer there, another one over here because it was pretty bad, and then we kind of beefed up with GRKs. We kind of screwed it. So what we've done here now is, once we got this section off, we've wire brushed all the joists, cleaned them up really good, took a torch, our trusty old tiger torch, and we kind of burnt off all the top, and just to dry it up because it's a bit wet right now out here. It's a nice day, actually. It's a nice blue sky, and it's just drying out nicely, but we want to get this Vicor down. So what I've got here now is this Vicor deck protector. It's a self-adhering flashing for decks and detail areas. So we'll run them on the tops of the joists all the way along to protect them, and then that'll at least give us some more life out of here. Hopefully, you know, it'll last as long as the new deck that we put on here. This is the IPay, or KU decking, ironwood they call it. Really good stuff. Got a whole pile of it right there. Anyways, that's it for now. Talk to you soon.